gallant men who braved the western plains, who came to land where ruthless and now boast of lawless gains. The pioneers who knew no fears were brave and hardy men. The range is wide, so rise and ride, the west is ours to win. Over the Buffalo Trail we go, wagon westward, westward home. Out for the setting sun, all aglow. Wagon westward, westward home. Here by the chaparral, we'll build a home corral at the end of day. Green by the starry light, all through the prairie night, and go rolling on our way. Over the Buffalo Trail we go, wagon westward, westward home. Out for the setting sun, all aglow. Wagon westward, westward home. Here by the chaparral, we'll build a home corral at the end of day. Green by the starry light, all through the prairie night, then go rolling on our way. Over the Buffalo Trail we go, wagon westward, westward home.
Well, folks, the new settlers will be here before long, and I'm hoping you'll all treat them right neighborly.
We ain't going to stand for that.
Hello, Joyce.
Hello, Jim. Any sign of the homesteaders?
No, not yet. Your father and the ranchers left for the drive yet?
They were just getting underway when I left.
Good. That'll give me a chance to get the homesteaders settled before they get back.
The homesteaders are coming, Jim. A whole slew of them.
Dad and the ranchers mustn't know about this.
Hank, we'll have to keep those settlers out of town till the ranchers are well on their way, or we'll have a first-class war on our hands.
I'm going with you.
All right, come on.
Tex, it looks like the sheriff's going to have his hands full.
He sure will, as soon as I get word to Kohler.
Hold the train! Hold it!
Put up those rifles, man.
We ain't looking for trouble, Sheriff, but we're ready for it if it comes.
I don't think there'll be any trouble if you listen to what I've got to say.
All right, start talking, Sheriff.
Well, I guess you've all heard the ranchers don't intend to let you people settle here without a fight.
That's what we've been told, but they're not running us out.
Now, wait a minute, Joel. Let the sheriff have his say.
I want to ask you to stay out of town for a couple of days.
What good will that do? We've got to face them sometime.
Yeah, you probably will. But they've started their drive today. I'm hoping to get you people settled before they get back.
Well, what do we do about registering our claims?
The government agent hasn't arrived in town yet. Meantime, you can camp over at Indian Wells.
A couple of us have to go to town for supplies. Our families need food.
Jim, why couldn't we get the supplies and bring them back tonight?
Sure we could. That is, if it's all right with you folks.
Anything you say, Sheriff.
Well, that's fine. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for being so helpful.
Look, Jim.
Why, it's Dad and the ranchers.
Put on those guns. You've got the law on your side, but you won't have if you start shooting.
All right, put those guns down, man.
Jim, you better turn them back. They ain't coming in.
We've been all over that before, Winchester. And I'm warning you again. You can't buck the government.
And I'm warning you. If any of these nesters set foot on my range, I'll nail their hides to the nearest fence post.
Dad, you've no right to talk like that.
Since when have you taken up with these nesters?
But, Dad,
You keep out of this. Well, Jim, are you turning them back?
I'm sorry, Winchester. I can't do that.
Let's get back to town. The rest of our men ought to be there by now.
Well, what are you going to do about it, Sheriff?
I'm going to try once more to make those ranchers listen to reason. Hank, you take these folks over to Indian Wells. We'll bring you supplies out tonight, boys.
All right, get back to your wagons, men.
Hank, you better post plenty of guards around that camp tonight. Joyce, I haven't any right to place you in a spot like this.
Oh, Jim, those people have suffered untold hardships to get here. They've given up their homes, left everything behind them. It took courage to do that. We can't let them down no matter what our personal feelings are.
Glad to hear you say that, Joyce.
Turn them back, Winchester? No, but we give them fair warning. What about the sheriff? Why, he's standing in with them. Says the law's behind them. We can't do nothing about it.
Well, we ain't gonna let him stop us, are we?
Looks like our sheriff tried to slip these squatters in on us while we were busy with our drive. Hadn't been for Coley here, he'd have got away with it, too.
I never did trust that sheriff, and this proves I was right.
Well, what's our next move?
Now, if those squatters are here, they'll be coming in town to record their claims. And it's up to us to see this never happen.
What good will that do? The law's behind them.
Not yet, it ain't. Not until they've registered their claims.
Winchester's right. The thing to do is to wipe them out before they can even get started. Hold it, man. Now, hold on. Hold on. Nobody's leaving this place till you hear what I've got to say. Get out of our way, Carson. No double-dealing sheriff's going to stop us now. Cola, for a hired cowhand, you're doing an awful lot of talking. What if I am? At least I'm not turning against my own people.
Wait a minute, Ben. Wait a minute. Dad, maybe Kohler doesn't know any better, but certainly you've got enough sense to realize that your plan can only lead to wholesale murder.
She's right, Winchester. You can't solve your problem killing defenseless women and children.
But you can't expect us to stand by and let a lot of thieving land grabbers fence off our range.
Why should they put up any fences? There's no need for them if you treat these folks right. Can't you see there's room enough for everybody? Well, maybe there is. But once we let them in, they'll be stealing our cattle right and left.
Kohler's right. I know that breed. I say let's drive them out.
Well, there's your answer, Sheriff.
Then I guess that puts us on opposite sides of the fence, Winchester. The law says they can settle here, and it's my job to back them up.
And even that ain't gonna stop us.
If you go through with this, Dad, I'll never set foot on your ranch again. Come on, Jim.
Stop them squatters just like we're planned.
But what about our drive to market?
There won't be any drive unless we get this thing settled.
Get out to the hideout and tell our men to be ready. I'll be out there tonight. Tex, you stay in town and watch every move that sheriff makes.
Jim, what are we going to do?
I don't know, Joyce. Hadn't been for that fella Cola.
I don't know why Dad ever hired him. He's done nothing but stir up trouble from the first day he came here.
Come on, Joyce, we're leaving.
I'm not coming. I meant every word I said over there.
You better go along with your dad, Joyce.
Not until he promises that no harm will come to those people.
Oh, stop being a stubborn little fool.
Why shouldn't I be stubborn? I'm your daughter. I'm sorry, Dad. We shouldn't be fighting like this.
I know we shouldn't, honey. But I've worked a lifetime to spare you the hardships that cost us your mother. And now you're asking me to stand aside and see all this swept away. I just can't do it.
I know how you feel, Dad, but, well, Mother wouldn't want us to shoot down innocent people.
Innocent people? We didn't ask them to come here.
No, you didn't. But the government did. And this valley is public land.
I never thought you'd turn against me, Jim.
Winchester, I'm trying to drum some sense into you. I'm trying to keep you from doing something you'll regret the rest of your life.
Jim's right, Dad. And I'm standing by him, even if...
And I guess there's nothing more to be said.
Oh, Jim.
Don't worry about it. Come on, come on. Get up, fella. Everything will turn out all right. That's better. You missed one.
I'm sorry, Jim.
I got them all settled.
Good.
And here's that list they give me. From the looks of things, them folks sure need grub.
Beans and coffee.
Cornmeal, onions, veg. Say, you better get busy.
Come on, Hank. We're going shopping.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Oh, shucks, that ain't a job for a man.
Come on, Hank.
Moonlight on the trail, dusk and shadows are here, blending a magic ray, ending another day out on the new frontier. Hearts are yearning, wheels are turning, prairie schooners roll, rolling westward through a sagebrush sea. Though the weary days are long, nighttime brings a peaceful song. All nature sings a moonlit melody. Moonlight on the trail, dusk and shadows appear, weaving a stardust veil over the sunset trail, out on the new frontier. Moonlight on the range, all the world is at rest. Starlit skies o'er the trail welcome the moon to sail, sail to the golden west. Hear the serenade of the night bird, calling his love to the sky. Now hands on the plains riding night herd, singing their range lullaby. Moonlight on the trail, dusk and shadows are here, blending a magic ray, ending another day out on the new frontier.
Sheriff.
Howdy. Any signs of trouble?
Not yet, but the camp is under guard just as you ordered.
Good. Whatever you do, don't leave your post for a minute.
Why, do you think those ranchers will try to start something tonight?
No telling. When we left town, they were in an ugly mood. Come on, Hank.
We'll keep our eyes peeled.
Good.
Here comes the sheriff with our supplies, folks. These provisions are sure a welcome sight.
They ought to be. I almost broke the back loading them. Give me a hand here. Hey, you young'uns, I got something for you.
Thanks a lot.
Take it here.
Thanks, boys. Give me a shoulder here.
Here, Ruth. Here's your overalls.
Ma'am, somebody. Hey!
Hello.
How do you do?
I have something here for you.
For me?
Oh,
Isn't this lovely?
you like it? Oh, yes. Oh, and I have a few things for the baby, too. Here's a little cap. Oh, and some sleepers and a few other little things.
I don't know how I can ever thank you, miss.
Oh, that's all right. Don't even try. It's such a cute little thing, isn't it?
Somebody.
Hey, man, get that right on the stove.
What's up? They spotted me, and one of their guards threw a shot after me. Come on.
What happened, guard? One of those cattlemen. I caught him spying on us.
Could you tell which way he was heading?
Over yonder by them hills.
And he must have followed us out from town. Hank, we've got to get some men to act as deputies.
Yeah, but where are we going to get them?
I don't know, but there must be some men in this valley who don't want murder on their hands.
Jim, I'd better stay. They know I'm here, and they won't dare attack. Dad'll see to that.
Maybe you're right. Well, keep a sharp lookout. Come on, boys. We'll get back to camp.
Well, you men can take it easy. We can't start that raid tonight.
How come?
Sheriff's placed guards all around the camp, and Winchester's girl's there with him.
What difference does that make?
Plenty. Them nesters know that Winchester won't start anything with her in camp. If we shot him up tonight, it'd be a dead giveaway.
But how are we going to rustle them herds if we don't get them fighting each other?
Now, that'll take care of itself when them squatters come to town to register. Yeah, me and Scan on there to kind of help things along. They get a reception they ain't looking for. Once we get things started, them cattlemen will be so busy they won't be able to protect their herds. And all we have to do is step in and drive them off. Well, I better get back to the ranch before the old man gets suspicious. You fellas take care of things.
Take a look at the sky where the whippoorwill trills, and the mountain so high where the cataract spills.
Take a look at the falls and the rippling rills. Hear the wondrous calls of the whispering hills. The rippling rills, the cataract spills, the whippoorwill trills. The rippling rills, the cataract spills, the whippoorwill trills. The rippling rills, the cataract spills, the whippoorwill trills.
Let me live on the range where the tumbleweeds grow. Let a silver sand change when the prairie winds blow.
Let the wanderers sing where the wanderers go. Let the melody ring for the happy The wanderers go, the prairie winds blow, the tumbleweeds grow. The wanderers go, the prairie winds blow, the tumbleweeds grow.
Let me follow the trail where the buffalo roam. Let a silver cloud sail where the setting sun shone.
Let the lobo wolf wail in a broken heart tone. Let it storm, let it gale, still the prairie's my home. Heart tone, setting sun shone, the buffalo roam. A broken heart tone, the setting sun shone, the buffalo roam. The rippling rills, the cataract spills, the whippoorwill trills. The wanderers go, the prairie winds blow, the tumbleweeds grow. A broken heart tone, the setting sun shone, the buffalo roam. The prairie's my home.
That's all. Take them to the wagon. Oh, that's too bad. Well, don't feel badly now. Nothing we can pick them up. That's all right now.
Hello, Sheriff. Any news about the land agent yet? Yeah, he's in town now, waiting for you. So you better pack up and get ready to move.
What about the ranchers?
When I left, they were starting to gather. We'll have to be careful or we're apt to have trouble.
Well, we're following your orders. What do you want us to do?
Well, when you come in town, don't have a single rifle in sight. And above all else, let me do the talking. And that way, they won't have an excuse for starting anything.
But supposing they try to stop us from registering?
Then we'll have to defend ourselves. Just to be on the safe side, though, you better keep the women folks in the rear wagons.
All right. All right, men, let's break camp.
Break camp!
How's Dad, Jim? Have you talked to him?
No, Joyce, I haven't seen him. Come on, let's get your horse. I've got to get back to town.
I'd better ride in with them.
It might help, but it's dangerous.
I'm not afraid.
I wonder what's keeping Winchester.
I don't know, but I hope he gets here before them squatters show up.
We don't need him to stop him.
I know, but maybe he can be able to talk some sense into that sheriff before it's too late.
Here comes Kohler. Maybe he knows something.
Where's Winchester?
He'll be along directly. I'm taking charge till he gets here. Well, I see you all came to arm like I told you.
Yeah, we're all prepared, but I'd feel better if Winchester was here.
Where's that sheriff?
Out at the Nestor's camp. He'll probably head in the parade when they come in.
That won't help him any. We'll run him out with the rest of the breed he's siding with.
We certainly will.
Hey, Sheriff, where are them squatter friends of yours? You don't suppose he turned yellow and run out on them, do you?
I hope not, now that we're all set to give him that reception we promised him.
Now, what do you say we take his gun away? He ain't got the nerve to use it.
Those ranchers look like they mean business, Sheriff.
Yeah.
Hank back with those deputies yet?
I ain't seen a sign of him yet.
Well, I guess we better get things ready.
Sheriff, we haven't got a chance against that crowd.
Maybe not, but I'm not backing down now. Any luck?
Ain't a man in the valley that'll lift a hand to help us.
Looks like we'll have to see it through alone, Hank.
All right, Jim. I've lived long enough anyhow.
Oh, Jenny, this isn't your fight, so if anything does happen, you better get back in here.
What are you doing, Sheriff? Moving out? Pull in your horns, you lop-eared jackass, or I'll do it for you.
Take it easy, Hank. They're just trying to bait us into a fight.
Here they come.
Back to them wagons.
Step aside, Cola, and let them pass.
I said get back to them wagons before we start shooting. I'm warning you for the last time, Cola. They're coming through. All right, Carson. You asked for it.
Kohler.
What's the matter? You afraid your tin-horn sheriff will get hurt?
Kohler.
Well, I was only...
Didn't I tell you to stay away from town today?
Yeah, but, boss, I thought the...
I'll do the thinking from now on. I'll get back to the ranch where you belong.
All right, boss.
Men, this may sound strange coming from me, but we've all been barking up the wrong tree.
What are you talking about, Winchester?
I was one of the first white men to set foot in this country over 30 years ago. The Indians owned it then, and you all know how we drove them out and took the land for ourselves. Well, I guess that's why we've always thought we owned this valley. But things have changed. Country's growing up, and we got to grow up with it. We need new blood out here. And these folks have come, not to harm us, but to stand side by side with us in making this a country we'll all be proud to live in.
I don't know how the rest of them feel, but I, for one, am mighty grateful to you, Winchester, for showing us where we was headed.
Oh, it's not me you should thank, but these two young ones. They've kept us from doing something we might have regretted all our lives. Winters, I treated you folks mighty mean, and I want to ask your forgiveness. I'm going to try every way to make it up to you.
Oh, thanks, Mr. Thompson. We'll certainly try to
deserve your friendship.
Sheriff, I feel so happy I just got to sing.
Well, go ahead and sing.
I came from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. I wandered California, my true love for to see. It rained all night the day I left, the weather it was dry. The sun so hot I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. I've come to California with my banjo on my knee. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. I come to California with my banjo on my knee. I jumped aboard the telegraph and traveled down the road. The electric fluid magnified and knocked me overboard. The moonshine was the horseman all, I really thought I'd die. I shut my eyes, hold my breath, Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. I come to California with my banjo on my knee. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. I come to California with my banjo on my
Hey, son, give me a hand here, will you?
All right, Dad.
Now, boy. You hold her right there now. Now, left side a little higher. Yeah, that's it. Get my hammer and nail. Hold her right there. I got it.
It was mighty nice of Miss Joyce to help us get settled here, wasn't it, Dad?
Sure was. It don't come any finer than her.
What's the matter, Dad?
Right on my thumb.
Let's see. Oh, I'll fix that for you. Put your finger in this cold water. Do it good. Feel better?
Oh, yeah. It'll be all right.
Well, that's a bad smash you got. Do you think she'll come on over and visit us when we're all through?
Sure she will. But if we don't get to hustling, we'll never get it finished.
You're right, Dad.
Get that fence down.
Well, did you have any trouble getting the winter's branding iron?
No, it was a cinch. I slipped it back without even knowing it was gone.
Wait till old man Thompson finds these cows in with the same bunch he sold winters last week. There'll be plenty of fireworks.
Yeah, too bad we won't be around when it happens.
Thompson! Mr. Thompson!
What's wrong, Culver?
I just found some of our fence torn down in the north pasture.
Well, how do you suppose that happened?
Oh, I don't know. It looks like rustlers to me.
Well, didn't you trail them?
No, I didn't. I thought I'd better tell you about it first.
I'll be way in a minute. You stay here, Joyce.
I'm going with you.
Have a tough time explaining this. Come on, let's get out
wading through there.
Come on. Wait a minute, there they are.
Fuller, how many cows did we sell winter the other day?
Half a dozen.
Herd's growing mighty fast.
But, Dad, there must be some mistake.
You bet there is. And I made it when I listened to you and let them squatters come here in the first place. Come on.
Won't be long now.
Well, Miss Thompson, Leonard, you better start packing and clear out of here. I don't understand.
Dad, let me talk to him.
I'll do the talking. You've had your say.
What's wrong?
This morning we found our fences down and...
Oh, I think I know what you mean. You found some of your father's cattle over here with mine. Is that it?
Yes. We've got your brand on them.
Well, how about it?
Thompson, you don't honestly think I'd do a thing like that?
Crying won't help you none now, Winters. I'm giving you just 1 hour to get off my range.
You or nobody else is going to run me off. This is my land now, and I'm staying.
Fuller, get over a rancher in town as soon as possible. I'll meet him there.
Dad, what are they gonna do?
I don't know, son, but I'm afraid we're in for trouble. You stay here in camp. I'm going for help.
How'd it work? Perfect. Winchester sent me out to round up the ranchers.
Good shooting, Kohler. That ought to start them squatters on our path.
Yeah, now ride out to the herd and tell all them punches are wanted in town. I'll meet you fellas at our camp later.
Winchester's causing trouble again. Well, what about? Well, he accused me of stealing some of his cattle, and he's rounding up the ranchers to drive us all out.
Get to your horses, man. wrong, Joyce?
Dad just accused Winters of stealing some of our cattle.
Where is he now?
When I left, he and Kohler were still at Winters' place.
I'll bet Cole's behind all this. Want me to go with you? No, Hank. You keep an eye on things here in town. Been shot. Get some water, quick.
Kid. I'd like to get my hands on the man that did this.
Why, Jim, you don't think it was Dad?
Of course not. Jim up the best we can, then get him right into town.
Sheriff? Man. What's happened, boy? What's the matter?
Dad.
What chance have we got getting justice in a cattleman's country?
Yeah. Wait a minute, men. You'll have to trust me for that.
All right, Sheriff. You're going into town. We'll follow you in later. But I'm warning you right now. The man that got my boy better be in jail when we get there. Or we're taking things in our own hands.
Come on, Joyce.
Hold on a minute. She's riding with us until we make certain he's in jail.
Go ahead, Jim.
Get rid of them punchers?
Yeah, there's only a handful guarding the herd now. The rest of them went with Winchester.
Good, let's ride.
Hey, what's the idea of leaving the herd?
Oh, they're all right. Just want a cup of coffee.
Kohler!
I tell you, men, that's just what we've got to do. Of course. What do you want here?
Winchester, I've come to place you under arrest.
Arrest? For what?
Suspicion of murder. Winter's boy's just been shot.
Are you accusing me of a thing like that?
No, Winchester, but I've got to take you into custody.
You ain't taking him anywhere.
Put on that gun, Cole. The homesteaders are on their way here now, and if I don't take him in, there'll be open warfare.
Well, let him come. It'll save us the trouble of going out and finding them.
Yes. He's just stalling to let them nesters get organized. Come on, men.
Hold it, man, now, hold it. Here they come now, and they've got your girl with them.
Now you coming?
Get out of my way. Come on, George.
She's staying with us until you pay for killing my boy.
Turn her loose or I'll start shooting.
Drop that gun, Winchester. I'm placing you under arrest.
Some men raided our camp. They're making off with the herds.
You hear that? And it must have been Kohler that killed your boy.
Of course it was, and while you're busy trying to kill each other, he's running off with our cattle.
Well, now it's everybody's fight. Come on, mount up, men. We'll take after him. Give me a hand, Hank. Joyce, and then get a doctor.